Students, welcome to Apna College YouTube channel. I hope you are all well. Today's video is about West Bengal Joint Entrance Counselling 2022. West Bengal Joint Entrance Board was constituted by Government of West Bengal to conduct the entire selection process and centralized online counseling process for various professional courses like engineering, pharmacy, architecture, nursing in different private and government funded institutes in West Bengal. So in today's video, I'll talk about West Bengal Joint Entrance 2022, the important dates. I will talk about WBJEE 2022 counseling process, and I will also talk about the documents required for West Bengal Joint Entrance Counselling 2022. So watch this video till the end and get to know the entire process so that with your WBJEE West Bengal Joint Entrance 2022 rank, you can give it a run to the best college and for your the preferred stream. Like and subscribe Apna College Net YouTube channel, share this channel link with your friends, and also follow us on our Facebook and Instagram page. And if you have any queries regarding West Bengal Joint Entrance 2022 counseling process, then you can call me or connect with me on the phone number right now shown on the screen. If you want an instant reply, so you can also WhatsApp your queries on the phone number right now shown on the screen. Let us move forward and look into West Bengal Joint Entrance Counseling Process 2022. In 2014, Government of West Bengal established the West Bengal Joint Entrance Examination Board WBJEE for selection of candidates for admission to undergraduate and postgraduate professional, vocational and general degree courses in the state of West Bengal and to conduct online counseling process adopting a single window approach. For admission into undergraduate courses in engineering, technology, pharmacy and architecture in state-aided universities, university departments, self-financing universities, government, self-financing colleges or institution in the state of West Bengal, West Bengal Joint Entrance Examination Board will conduct the centralized online counseling process for WBJEE 2022 rank. This counseling process can be taken part through WBJEE 2022 rank holders. Now let us look at the schedule of counseling for West Bengal Joint Entrance Examination 2022. Now the board is intimating us that all dates are tentative and can be changed in extraordinary circumstances, and candidates must visit the website regularly for any update. The registration, payment of registration fee and choice filling for West Bengal Joint Entrance Board starts from 26th of August 2022 and will continue till 1st of September 2022. The choice filling and choice locking for West Bengal Joint Entrance 2022 online counseling process will commence from 31st August and will continue till 1st September 2022. The first round of seat allotment result for WBJEB 2022 will come out on 7th of September 2022. For the candidates who will get allotment in their preferred college needs to pay the seat acceptance fee. Now this seat acceptance fee payment can be done from 7th September 2022 till 12th September 2022 6 p.m. onwards. And along with that, candidates have to report to the allotted institutes for document verification and admission. Now in later part of this video, I will talk to you about which are the documents required. Now, visiting and reporting the allotted institute is mandatory. If upgradation choice is no or allotted in the first choice, the candidates need to visit the allotted institute and must contact the institute immediately for their detailed timings and requirements. The second round of seat allotment result for WBJEE Counselling 2022 will be published on 15th of September 2022. The seat acceptance fees in this time will be paid by the fresh allottees, and it will start from 15 September 2022, will continue till 19 September 2022, 6 p.m. Now, candidates who got fresh allotment must report to the allotted institute for document verification and admission. Now, 15 September to 19 September will be the time when the candidate can withdraw his or her seat from WBJEE Counselling 2022. Now, 21st September to 23rd September, in this period, candidate can opt for mop-up round, which is completely optional, and now do a fresh registration by payment of the registration fees for mop-up round, and will start the choice filling in a fresh way in the mop-up round. And the period is 21st September 2022 to 23rd of September 2022. 23rd September 2022, the student can complete his or her choice filling and do the choice locking. 27 September 2022, the mop-up round seat allotment result will come out. Now, 27 September till 29 September, 6 p.m. within this time frame, the fresh allottees need to pay the seat acceptance fees and report to the allotted institute for document verification and admission. And the West Bengal Joint Entrance Board is instructing every candidate to visit the allotted institute as per their working hours, and in advance contact them for the detailed requirements of admission. Now let us look into the documents which are required for counselling at WBJEE 2022. All candidates must report to the allotted institute within the declared dates with the original and one of each self-attested copy of the following documents. Provisional seat allotment letter, which can be downloaded from the website after the payment of seat acceptance fees. West Bengal Joint Entrance 2022 rank card. The class 10th admit card or birth certificate for verification of date of birth. Then class 10th mark sheet and class 12th mark sheet, these two are all required. For OCI candidates, OCI certificate is compulsory. For West Bengal domicile candidates, the domicile certificate should be produced as per the format given in the information bulletin. For SC, ST, OBC A and OBC B candidates, the respective category certificates are to be produced as per the format given in the information bulletin. Now, here is a special point which I want to mention, that OBC A or B certificates must be issued after 31st March 2022. It must clearly mention about the candidate whether belongs to the non-creamy layer and subcategory OBC A or OBC B. PWD candidates must submit PWD certificate. TFW candidates must submit TFW certificate, and all candidates must carry the mobile phone with the SIM number registered during WBJEE 2022 application process. This mobile number particularly is required to receive the one-time password or OTP at the final stage of admission confirmation. Now we will talk about the rules and guidelines for WBJEE 2022 counselling. All aspects of counselling like registration, choice filling, allotment, payment of seat acceptance fee, provisional admission, it will all be done in a centralized online process only. The counselling will be for the admission in the institutes and courses as mentioned in the approved seat matrix from the competent authority in the WBJEE board website. Any candidate meeting the eligibility criteria and securing GMR rank in the WBJEE 2022 examination can register for counselling. There will be mainly 3 rounds of counselling: allotment, upgradation and mop-up. Registration is allowed only at the beginning of the first round. Registration is mandatory for counselling and admission. Registration fee for counselling is 500. It is not refundable under any circumstances. The business rule is that West Bengal Joint Entrance Board will not convert any vacant seat in any reserve category, that is SC, ST, OBC A, OBC B and PWD to general or unreserved category. And as per the AICT guidelines, vacant seats under the TW category shall not be converted into general category. Now, allotment of first round will be declared on the pre-scheduled date, and the candidate must pay a seat acceptance fee of rupees 5,000 to download the allotment letter, and after downloading they need to report to the institute. The document verification part, I have already mentioned the documents which you need to carry in the previous part of the video. Now, upgradation will be done after round 1 in the round 2 mainly. It is mainly for those candidates who did not get any allotment in round 1, and those who have paid seat acceptance fees, completed document verification and opted for yes upgradation in round 1. Now, let us move on to the mop-up round. Participation in mop-up round is optional, and all registered candidates are eligible for mop-up round except those who have been debarred due to various reasons. Now, the mop-up round registration fees is 200, and student must confirm his or her willingness to participate in the mop-up round. The candidate must cautiously note that if he or she is allotted in the mop-up round new seat, then the earlier reserved seat will be cancelled. That was the detail about West Bengal Joint Entrance Counselling 2022. Here particularly I want to mention one particular point, that your West Bengal Joint Entrance rank is valid for the entire counselling process 2022. The day the counselling process ends, then West Bengal Joint Entrance 2022 rank will lose its importance. So I hope that you have understood the process very clearly, and as per your rank, you should get the best college and in your preferred stream. If you have any queries or you are confused to make the choice list, or you don't know about how to move up in the mop-up round and all, any queries regarding West Bengal Joint Entrance Counselling 2022, feel free to connect with our team on the phone number right now shown on the screen. For an instant reply, you can also WhatsApp us on the phone number right now shown on the screen. Follow us on our Facebook page and Instagram page, and also like and subscribe Apna College Net YouTube channel. All the best.